Forgotten username recovery failed on Petal Card App Fix. If you've forgotten your Petal Card username, most people make the mistake of using the wrong email or skipping verification steps. You won't believe how simple it is to regain access when you follow the correct process. Step 1. Open the Petal app or visit the login page and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email address associated with your account. Petal will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check every email folder, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails often get filtered automatically, so make sure to look carefully. Avoid sending multiple requests quickly, as this may temporarily lock your account. Tip 3. If your registered email is inactive, gather verification details like your full name, date of birth, last 4 digits of your card, and recent transactions. Contact Petal support with this information to quickly regain access. Step 4. After recovering your username, store it securely in a password manager or secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication provides extra security, ensuring your financial data remains protected. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Petal Card account efficiently. Proper verification and secure credential management are essential for keeping your account and funds safe and accessible.